Welcome to Healthy After 60, the YouTube channel that's dedicated to trying to be healthy after 60. I'm Bob, I'm 61, and today I'm going to be filming this video in beautiful Barrington, Illinois, walking at the Cuba Road Marsh Trail. It's a 3-mile trail, and the premise of this video is I wondered how a 3-mile walk would affect my level of ketone, my ketone level. And I'm going to start out before this walk. I'm going to get a reading of what my ketone level is on my ketone meter. And then after the 3-mile walk, I'm going to take another reading to see how the ketone level has changed. And so bear with me for a moment here while I get this reading. By the way, I'll be joined on this walk by I'll be walking with my favorite nephew Tom and his trusty dog Charlie. And so the ketone level at the beginning of this walk, you'll see it's rather low at 0.3. I'm not that surprised by that because prior to leaving for this walk, I had my peanut butter, organic peanut butter, and an organic strawberry wrapped in an egg white wrap. And so I know that always does lower my ketone level. So we're starting out this walk at a lower ketone level at 0.3, and we'll see where it takes me after a 3-mile walk. Thank you, and join you soon. Yeah, I'm just actually filming at a cake.
So you're not going to be on coffee because there's no way you want to.
No.
But I have discovered something that is surprising. I don't know how lucrative it's going to be, but I'm going to do it. It's a thought that I had a long time ago, but that I never actually followed through on.
Oh, it's nice. I mean, if you can afford it, it's nice to buy the best. I mean, not just the trendiest, but I mean the best quality. Something that really has a unique differentiator.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm really in need of that adventure camera.
Why not just buy a cheap one to start?
Yeah. So welcome once again to Healthy After 60. Just took a great walk, had some great conversation with my nephew Tom. His dog Charlie was with us. Saw a lot of people on the trail, got a lot of exercise. Now I'm going to see how it all affected my ketone level. That was the idea, one of the ideas of coming out today. Just take a little minute here to get the ketone meter warmed up. In the meantime, you can rest assured I'm looking forward to putting together all the little patches of video to give you a sense of this walk. About to blow now. So before this walk, my ketone level was 1.1, or I'm sorry, it was 0.3. It actually has gone up now to 0.4. You can see that is 0.4. And so it was a 3-mile walk. I was in a light state of ketosis, burning fat, but not as efficiently as I would be if I was in a higher state of ketosis. And the ketosis level actually went up, which is kind of counterintuitive. But I'll give that a lot of thought. In the meantime, thank you for viewing. Thank you for sticking with me. And thank you for watching Healthy After 60. Please subscribe. Please comment.